Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax in Fort Myers. Today bringing you a presentation on a 2019 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This boat has less than 100 hours on it. Absolutely ready to go wherever you may want to start out. Beautiful pair of Mercury 300 V8s. Nice super interior. Loaded out with the big screen Raymarines. We'll take a look at those here in a second. This has what we call the garage in the front. We'll open that up and take a look at it. Table stores in the head so you don't have to have it up all the time. And then in the bow, this is our anchor windlass, and also this boat does have a towing bit on it as well. So we talked about the storage area. Rather large storage area that's kind of called a garage. Right now you can see there's some general storage in there, but there's racks you can put in for scuba tanks or big heavy gear if you're going on a long haul. Armrest, great seating area, cup holders obviously. And then as we come back here, this is our trolling seat. There's one on the port, one on the starboard. Great place for somebody to be able to sit and watch lines behind you while you're fishing, or to give an extra seat to ride. So we walk towards the stern. Big fish box, live wells in the floor. All molded fiberglass, super nice, finished out. Again, whether you want to put ice in there, put fish in there, or just store gear, either one. Our transom door. Easy access to walk through all the way out to put the ladder out, or to work on something here on the transom of the boat where we have additional rod holders as well. Back seat, neat place for people to ride, but if you're going to fish heavy, stows away very, very easily. And this is our workstation for rigging. Nice large bait well, rounded corners, blue in color, lit, and with an aerator. Sink here, and then a nice Yeti cooler. Slides out to keep your beverages and drinks in. And as you look at the helm, this has the oversized Raymarine screens on it, and all the features with obviously your GPS navigating, radar, performance. And then look at that, on these motors, 82 and 78 hours, low hours on these motors, absolutely ready to go. Your leaning post, that's with the cushions all the way up. Cushions down, we got a good place to sit, and a footrest that's very, very accessible there. And as we head around to the other side, again, our other trolling seat there. And this boat has a super nice head unit, vacuum flush potty, main unit for our stereo, your main distribution panel as well. Table stores there where you see those bungee cords. Rod racks on the T-top, absolutely ready to go fishing. Give me a call. We need to move this boat really, really quick. The owner is anxious to get into another boat. Give me a call here at MarineMax in Fort Myers and we'll get you out on the water.